The ACT 2017-18, that's the free test. We're looking at the math portion, 6 questions, 6 to 10. So Jorge's current hourly wage for working at Dentist Smiles is $12 an hour. Jorge was told that the beginning of next month, his new hourly wage will be an increase of 6% of his current hourly wage. What will Jorge's new hourly wage be? So what we're going to do to get, so the new hourly wage, so new wage is going to be equal to current wage plus increase. Okay, so let's look for the increase. The increase is 6%. So we have 6% multiplied by $12. So that's going to give us 72 over 100, which is 72 cents or $0.72. So his new wage is going to be the current wage of $12 plus the new increase, or an increase of 72 cents. So this is going to give us, just for good measure, let's do this. So we have 2721. So we have $12.72. The first term is 1 in the geometric sequence. And what is the 7th term of the geometric sequence? So the nth term of a geometric sequence is the first term multiplied by the ratio to the power of n minus 1. So how do we get the ratio? So here we have a equal to 1, and then r is equal to -3 divided by 1, which must also be equal to 9 divided by -3, and must be equal to -27 over 9 for this to be a geometric sequence. So r is equal to -3. So the 7th term is going to be 1 multiplied by -3 to the power of 7 minus 1, which is 1 multiplied by -3 to the power of 6, and that's going to give us 729. The shipping rate for customers of ShipQuick consists of a fee per box and a price per pound for each box. The table below gives the fee and the price per pound for customers shipping boxes of various weights. So Greg wants ShipQuick to ship one box that weighs 15 pounds. What is the shipping rate for the box? So we're looking at this row right here. So we got 15 pounds. So shipping rate is equal to fee plus price per pound. The fee is $10. The price per pound is going to be 0.65, but then we're dealing with 15 pounds. So we're going to multiply by 15. So this is going to give us $10. And if you compute 0.65 by 15, we're going to get 9.75. For good measure, let's go ahead and show how to do that. 0.65, 15. So this is going to be 532. It's going to be, put a 0 here, have a 5, we have a 6, 5, 7, 9. We got 2 decimals, 1, 2. So now we have 10.00, 9.75. We add this together, 5, 7, $19.91. So we have $19.75. A computer chip 0.32 centimeters thick is made up of layers of silicon. If the top and bottom layers are each 0.3 centimeters thick and the inner layers are 0.02 centimeters thick, how many layers are there? So we got 0.32 centimeters for the whole chip. Top layer, so I'm just going to say top layer is 0.03. Bottom layer is also 0.03. What is going to be, how many layers are there going to be between the top and the bottom? So let's do that. So sum of the top layer and top layer plus bottom layer is 0.03 plus 0.03, which is going to be 0.06 centimeters. Now we want to find out how many layers are between. So let's see what's the thickness of the space between the bottom and the top layers. So let's look at thickness. It's going to be 0.32 minus 0.06. Let's do 0.32 minus 0.06. We have 0.62. So this is 0.26 centimeters. But each of the inner layers is 0.02 centimeters thick. So number of layers is going to be the thickness divided by, so that's the thickness of all those layers divided by the thickness of each of the layers. So we're going to end up with 13 here. So here's what you do: 0.26, 0.02. I'm going to move 2 spaces right here, 2 spaces right here. So I end up with 26 divided by 2. And then we have 13. Number 10. The table below shows the number of cars Jing sold each month last year. What is the median of the data in the table? First step in getting the median is to actually arrange the numbers in increasing order. So let's do that. Let's look at the ones first. We have 13. Then we have 15, then we have 16, 19, 19, then we start with the 2s, we have 22, we have 25 twice, then we have 26, and then 27, 28, 29. Let's make sure we accounted for all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we've accounted for all the data. Now what we need to do is we're looking at an even number distribution. So what we end up doing with the even number distribution is we divide 12 divided by 2, which is going to give us 6. We're going to subtract 1 from that, so that means that we're dealing with 5 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get that. So that means that our median, because we have 2 numbers in the middle, we're going to find the mean of those 2 numbers. So 22 plus 25 over 2, we have 47 over 2, which is 23.5.